Welcome to the channel today. Today we're going to be picking the paste tomatoes. I haven't really showed a video on it. I wasn't going to make a video, but hey, we're doing a really good job of picking them, or at least have a lot they've made really well. So we're going through picking them now. If you look down here, these are the banana legs here. They made a lot, and like I say, the rows just go down these two rows here. We're going to pick those two rows, and when we get through, we'll kind of show you, how many there is. But anyway, we'll finish picking these. I may show a little bit more of the other toast. I know we're making a lot of tomato videos now, but we're fixing to get, they say, up to 2 weeks of rainfall. If we get 2 inches of rain, or 2 weeks of rain, it's going to wipe out these tomato plants, just the way it happens. So I kind of want to show you all how much we're making, how well they're producing. And anyway, be back in a minute. Okay, we've picked all these tomatoes. These are banana leg tomatoes. They've done really well. They're the new ones of the bunch. This one's Tachi, or these other three are Tachi and Invincible, and they always do way better for me than my regular Roma tomatoes. I can't grow Romas here for whatever reason, and that's just on these 2 rows here is what we picked. We still got to pick the other rows. We're going to try to get to that as quick as we can. But first you got to take all these in, and these are all paste tomatoes used for processing. So we're watching a busy processing tomatoes as they get ripe. Some of them aren't ripe, but if they're blushing like this, go ahead and pick them. They're going to go ahead and ripen. Don't let the rats, the worms, and the birds, slugs, whatever else eats these tomatoes. They will. If they're touching the ground, they're probably going to rot on you. We have several, probably half again as many that's got either worm in it, or they touch the ground, slug got a hold of them, or a rat got a hold of them, or whatever. But once they hit that ground, something's going to eat them. So do your best to keep them off the ground. If we have done a better job with the floor and weave, we wouldn't have as much damage. But life happens. Sometimes you'll get around doing everything. But still, we got plenty of tomatoes, and I've done a lot of videos on tomatoes. But right now, like I was saying earlier, if we get 2 weeks of rain, the tomato season will be over for me. So, but anyway, I am going to try to go ahead and spray either today, late today, or sometime tomorrow. Spray a fungicide and also spray again for the worms. Try to keep them down. I waited a little too late to spray for the worms, but we were busy. So anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.